I'm going to show you how to create pro motion graphics animations using AI. You will not need any coding or installations. They are 100% free, no Remotion skills needed. Just like the graphics you just watched and others that you see throughout this video, you can be able to create pro motion graphics like this and spice up your videos. Going through social media, I discovered that all the tutorials on how to create pro motion graphics animations with AI were so technical. You need to download Node.js, you need to do this, you need to install that, you need to pay this fee. I found a hack where you, that is a beginner, can create these insane motion graphics and spice up your videos 100% free using AI. The difference between you and big YouTubers is these graphics. Adding this motion graphics to your videos takes your videos from beginner level to expert, and they make your videos look so clean. As you can see them throughout my video, what do you think? So guys, today I'm going to give you guys 3 different ways in which you can create this AI motion graphics, and it's going to be so easy. Okay, the first one is going to be through text, typing exactly what you want. The second one is search bar animations that look like this. The third one, carousel animations. Now all these animations I'm going to be giving you, teaching you how to do today. You can always edit it and change them to whatever thing that you would like. The AI tool that we're going to be using today is Claude AI. Okay, my device is here, so we're going to do this together. So just go on Claude.ai and then sign up. You're going to need your email address and your phone number, and once you've signed up, it opens up like this. Now the account, of course, is free because this tutorial is using free Claude subscription. Okay, free. So now to create the first one, which is how to create this our motion graphics template from any text whatsoever, I have a prompt document. Now this prompt document, I've created it, is a template that teaches Claude AI how to create this animations for you. So you can either stop now and take a screenshot of it, or you can comment motion graphics in the comments and I'll send you this document. Now let's quickly look over the document and let me explain some things to you. Now all the portions that are labeled in this pink text have to be edited by you to make this video, or to make the videos that it's going to generate, unique to you. Now very important is your color selection. Now we know that our graphics usually have a dark background, but what are your highlight colors going to be? So for this use case, I'm going to be using a color selection of orange. So I'm going to change that to orange. So now that I'm done editing this template to the way that I want, I'm going to click it over like this and I'm going to copy it. So now opening your Claude AI, you're going to go over here and you're going to paste this prompt. This prompt is going to teach Claude AI how to create animations for you. Okay, and once you do, you click this send button. Now because we're using the Claude free plan, you have to be careful, because if you do too much with Claude, you have to wait some amount of time. It will give you like a timeout. You know, when you're using free things, they always come with a caveat. Okay, now once that is done, it's going to ask you it's going to pop up a series of questions that it will need you to answer. It can ask you what is the emotional arc you want for your graphics. So I selected sleek and bold, and then it will ask you how long do you want the animation to last. So I said 10 seconds. So the next thing it's going to tell you is that fine, so drop the text on screen in order and flag any word you want to be slammed or in glow. So I added this text. This is the text that I wanted to animate for us. Take your videos from boring to pro level with the motion graphics animation using AI, and I flagged pro level as what I wanted it to make big or make it slam or anything. So it's going to take some time to run, and then it's going to create for you a document that is in the HTML file here. This document, you're going to click over here and you're going to download it to your device. Once the document is saved to your device, you're going to open it up, and this is what mine looks like. Is this not amazing? This whole graphics was made with AI. If you wanted to do this with your hand, to move everything coming and going, the slash sign, it's going to take you hours, but this took us literally less than 3 minutes to create. Now this is where we take things and where my hack comes to play. Now that I've created it, how do we save it as a video? Very simple. You just record the screen. Okay, so you're going to click the print screen option on your device, and once the print screen function is on, this is what it looks like on my own device. I'm going to just select this portion of the video right? And I'm going to press the start button. As you can see, it's already starting. Count to 1. I'm going to refresh here, and then I'm going to record the animation as a screen recording, and then you stop it, and then you save it anywhere in a secure place on your device. That is the hack. So now let's go to the second one on how to create search bar graphics like this that are so popular. Okay, so now you're going to go back to this my document, and you're going to see here that I wrote order prompt, and I have a Google Drive document. I have a Google Drive file that is there. You're going to right click it, and then you're going to click it like this, and you can see this. You're going to click this animation prompt, and then you're going to go over to this button here, and then you're going to download it to your device. Once you've downloaded it to your device, you're going to go to where you downloaded it. This is where I downloaded mine. I'm going to double click it, and it's going to open for you an animation prompt builder. Now this my animation prompt builder has 3 levels: the counter, the search bar, and the carousel. So you're going to be working now with the search bar graphics. Okay, so now the search bar graphics here, you're going to put, you know, what your queries are in the search bar, what you want to be in the search bar. So for this one, we have 3 queries that we can add, and you can even add more search queries as you want to make in your video. So let me just fill in my queries and come back. I filled all my search bars, okay, that I wanted to create for me, and then you can see here that the bar star is dark with a glowing border, and the speed is medium. And you're going to choose what accent color do we want for this our bar, and we have just this 5 colors you can choose from, because of course this is just for you. So I'm going to choose this yellow, right? So our bar is going to have a yellow glow on it, and you can choose your background colors. I'm going to leave my background color to black, okay? And you're going to add as what's the headline text above. So what headline text should I put? I'm going to say all right, so you put the topic that you want to be on top of your graphics. And here, if you have extra instructions, if you want your search bar to have a Nigerian flag, you want it to have an emoji, you want to have a subtool, look, anything you want, any extra instructions that you want it to come together with a picture, you put that here. And once you're done, you click this copy prompt, okay? And it tells you prompt copy. You're going to go back to Claude, and you're going to create a new chart. The reason why I say always create a new chart is because if you work on an older chart, it takes a lot more tokens for the Claude to use. I know that you're on the free plan, you're managing tokens. So we're going to come over here, and we're going to paste it, okay? And we're going to press the send button. Claude is going to take some time to gather his thoughts, and it's going to come back with either some questions, or it's going to create for you the HTML document straight up. AI tool is done creating the search bar graphics. So we're going to click the download button right here, and we are going to save it to our device. And then we're going to go to where we saved it, search bar. You can see that here. We're going to open it. Can you see what it looks like? Can you see? Here's search bar motion graphics. Can you see that? Can you see? This is so pretty. So what do? Simple as always. You put on your print screen or your screen recorder. You select the rectangle portion, this portion, right? And then you're going to start screen recording it, okay? So now for the last one, we want to create a carousel. You can see here I create a carousel. A carousel is just like what we had in the beginning, where you have floating pictures or floating words, okay? So now you can decide what you want your card labels to be. You can just say what your card labels are. If you want to use images on your card labels, you can just upload your images to this website here. Let's look at it. I'm going to sign into it with a Google account. Right, so here you can now upload your images that you want to be in this your motion graphics. So let me just upload a random image. So I've uploaded this image of myself, and it has already given me a link to the image. So I'm going to copy the link to the image. I'm going to go back to my prompt builder, and I'm going to paste that image here. So this is image for card 1. So card 1, I want to say here, subscribe to Everyday AI with Jayne. Right. So I don't want to fill any of all these other ones. I can just delete it. If I want to add more, I can just add it. For this one, I'm going to leave it like that, and I'm going to put the accent color to yellow. And ask you here, enable 3D perspective tilt. I said yes. If there's any headline text you want to write, you can add that. If you want to add a floating particle background, I said yes. If there's any other thing you want to add, I'm going to click copy prompt here, and then we're going to go back to Claude, and we're going to create a new chart, as I always say, and we're going to paste it. Wow. And once it creates it, you just click the download button to download the HTML file, and they're going to play it and see what it looks like. It looks good. So guys, that is how to create pro animations, pro motion graphics animations using Claude AI, 100% free, no money spent. Take your videos from boring to pro level videos using this free AI. And of course, if you want the prompt document or the template, just comment motion graphics and I'm going to send you this link especially to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.